Hey guys, welcome to Techter's tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to download Udemy courses in PC. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Just a quick overview on what is Udemy. Udemy is an online learning platform where individuals can access a wide range of variety of courses on different subjects. So these courses are typically created by experts and instructors in their respective fields. Users can enroll in Udemy courses to acquire new skills, improve existing ones, or simply gain knowledge on topics of interest. Udemy offers both free and paid courses, making it accessible to broad audiences, and learners can access the courses at their own pace, often with a lifetime access to the course materials, including video lectures, quizzes, and also assignments. So, as you can see, here are the top categories of the courses that are offered here onto Udemy. So it is actually a versatile platform that provides opportunities for personal and professional development, catering to learners of all levels and backgrounds. So for you to be able to get started, you'll just need to head onto this webpage in here. So you'll just need to search Udemy onto your local browser or udemy.com, and you'll get redirected onto this page. Now onto this page, you can see the different categories that it offers. You also have a search bar, the Udemy business, where you can get your team access to over 22,000 top Udemy courses anytime and anywhere, and the Teach on Udemy, wherein it gives you an opportunity to be an instructor onto this platform. You could also see your shopping cart in here and the login and the sign up button. So if you don't have an account yet, just simply click onto the sign up button in here. Now to sign up and start learning, you'll just need to put in your full name, email, and password, and you could check this checkbox to send you special offers, personalized recommendation, and learning tips. So you'll just need to simply click on to sign up right after filling this one out, and by signing up, you should agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. And if you have an account already, just simply click on to log in. Now it should give you an option to continue with Google or put in your email and password, or if you have forgotten your password, just simply click onto this one so that Udemy will assist you onto creating a new one. So you could also log in using your organization, but I'm gonna continue using my Google account in here. Now right after, you should be able to see this website in here, the same one that we've gone through earlier, but we're already logged in onto this one. So you should be able to see your learnings, the wish list, your shopping cart, and your notification and your account settings. So there are different categories as well in here, and if you scroll down here next, there are some suggestions on what to learn next and what the students are viewing. So you should be able to see the different courses in here, short and sweet courses for you, and top courses as well. So you also can see in here the different prices, their ratings, and their creators or instructors. So what you'll need to do next in here to get started is you'll just need to head onto your My Learning section. You'll just need to simply click onto that, and you should be able to see the different courses that you have onto your account. So there are 5 options in here. You have the all courses. You can see your different lists in here. So these are the instructor collection. You have also the wish list, so you could browse through courses now, the archive courses, and some learning tools in here. So we have the calendar events and the push notifications, which you can turn on so that it would help you. So let's head on to the all courses in here. And as you can see, if you have purchased a course, it will appear in here. So we don't have a course as of the moment right now, so let's get one. So let's browse now, and now let's try to search for a free course in here that we could use onto this tutorial. Now, as you can see, we have our different free English courses. So let's try to choose one in here that we could use onto our tutorial. So I think this one will do, the free English grammar course. Let's click onto that, and this method should be only used for courses that you have already paid or enrolled in free. Attempting to use this method for free courses or those you haven't legitimately subscribed to would be unethical and a violation of Udemy's terms and service. So it is crucial to respect the hard work and expertise of course creators by supporting their business through proper enrollment. So as you can see, we've gone ahead and found a free tutorial in here. So we should download videos for legitimately purchased courses that allows us to access the content offline for our personal convenience And it is also essential to use this method responsibly and ethically. So let's click onto enroll now for this course. And then right after, you'll just need to click on to start course. Now, once you're already onto the course page, you shall see a list of sections here onto the right side and videos within the course. So to start downloading videos, you'll just need to press Ctrl-Shift-I onto your keyboard in there. So this will open the browser's developer tool. Now here onto the developer tools panel, you need to look for the network tab. So we have here the elements console, and you can see the network here onto the side. So you'll need to simply click onto that, then select the media option. So we have here the media, let's click onto that. And then right after, this will filter the network request to show only the media files which include the course video. Now, right after clicking onto media, you shall see the list of videos files populating the network tab. So these are the individual videos within the course. So you need to start by playing the first video. So let's click onto the play button in here to open it in the browser. Now we'll just simply click onto the next video in here like that. Now right after playing those videos here onto the left side, you should be able to see some things in here onto the right side. So you just need to simply click onto that and drag it like that, so you should be able to see the different videos that you have played in here. So it is really important to start the video in here and also finish it so that it will be added in here. So you'll just need to right click onto that and open it in new tab. Now you should be able to see the video in here. Just click onto this three dot in here and you should be able to see the download option. So you'll need to click onto that. And you should be able to see the videos added onto your device already. So what you'll need to do is just head back in here and just click onto next onto the other videos so that you could repeat this process for all of the videos in the course. So you'll just need to right click onto each video, open it onto a new tab like this. And right after, you should be able to see it downloading onto your device. So you could compile this onto one folder so that it would be organized, and remember that this method only works for courses you have already subscribed to. So it is important to support Udemy instructors by purchasing their courses. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded your Udemy course videos to your PC, so you can now watch them at your convenience. And also remember that knowledge is a treasure, and platforms like Udemy in here make it accessible to all of us. So by using the method we've shown you today, responsibly and ethically, you can enhance your learning experience and make the most of the courses you've invested in. So keep learning, keep on growing, and keep on reaching for your goals. And if this method worked for you, please let us know in the comments below. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to share them. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and also share this to others so that they would be able to know as well how to download Udemy courses. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on to our next video.